Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Recaptcha so you can send us the keys that we need to add to your Gravity forms so that you can stop getting bogus leads. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to google.com/recaptcha. You don't need anything else, just google.com/recaptcha, RECAPTCHA. This is the page that you should be on, and prior to going to this page you should be logged in to your Google account or your Gmail account or whichever one you have. So make sure you're logged in, then type in google.com/recaptcha and come here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the admin console. Now if you've already set one of these up before, it's going to look like this and you're going to see that there are other keys in here. Most likely it's going to take you to the add page, create page. If you do get this page, just click on the plus symbol, but more than likely you're going to see this page. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to give it a label. Please put your domain name in here. For example, in this one, I'm going to use this example. Choose Recaptcha version 2, and I'm not a robot checkbox. Where it says add domains, click here and paste your domain name in there. The owner should be your Google email address. So it could be something at gmail.com. It could be your name at yourdomain.com, whatever you signed up for Google account for. Accept the Recaptcha terms of service. You can read them right here if you'd like to read them. And then hit submit. Now it's going to give you your keys. Before you do that, I want you to go back to settings. And then I'm going to have you move this line all the way over here to most secure. So we want to make sure the security preference is most secure. Then hit save again. And it will bring you to the admin panel. Now make sure again that your domain is right here. And come over here and click on the gear symbol. And then you're going to click this little down arrow. And we need you to copy the site key and the secret key to us. You can email those to us. They're not passwords or anything like that. We just need them to set up the Gravity Forms plugin so that it will add a more secure CAPTCHA for you. And when you copy these into the email, please tell us which one is the site key and which one is the secret key. It is important because they're different. So copy these into an email and send them to us, and then we will update your forms with the new Recaptcha, and that should take care of the problem with the spam leads. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com or give us a call at 517-917-0582.
Yeah, pero yeah. Pull. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ah. Ooh.